Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking. Spelled out. I had your name spelled out and I didn't know if you wanted a heart in front and behind your name. Okay.
Instead of spelling my name, so we spell cinnamon roll. Cinnamon.
Let me see if there's enough. I don't think there's enough.
Just spell cinnamon.
Whoop. Okay.
I'll get my sword to spell it. Okay.
Wait a minute. Let me spell it out.
M.
Yeah. Now what?
Look it on my sword.
Okay, you tell me what letter's next.
This one? N?
No, C-I-N. Look at me. See, C-I-N. N-A-M.
I can't see. It's upside down to me. I can't see, Boxy. It's upside down to me. So I can't.
I don't see an R.
I know.
Oh.
I got you.
Oh. There's not another L, honey.
You can just spell cinnamon.
You just want cinnamon?
Yeah. In the middle.
And I don't have another N. I don't have an N, honey.
Let's see.
There's no N.
Dump it out so I can see. Yeah.
Okay, they're gonna go all over the place. Okay? No N.
You can pretend this is N.
No, you don't want to pretend that U is an N, no. So all you can do is put your name. M-I.
I know, but we... Cinnamon. Cinema. Cinema. Can be it. It's okay.
There's no O and there's no N. So you can't even spell cinnamon. Okay, where's N? There's no N. So you can't do cinnamon.
We can just put cinnamon.
No, that'd look dummy. That won't look right.
I know, but it's the closest we can get. So let's just go with cinnamon.
That ain't even cinnamon. Cinna. That don't sound right, honey. Do M-I-A. Let's see if you can even spell your last name. Nope, can't even spell your last name. There's no other I. Okay?
Here's my name.
So all you can do is Mia, honey.
At least I got the song.
Yeah, you do.
I wish there was blue hearts or something.
I know.
I don't want...
Well, red is for hearts.
I don't want red. We'll go to the top of the world. 3. Making a bracelet, Grandpa.
What's that?
I'm making a little bracelet.
Oh, you are?
Or necklace.
Well, I'm sure it'll come out nice.
I'm making it cinnamon themed. Because it's a Hello Kitty one.
Oh, it's a Hello Kitty one? Oh.
It came with these stickers.
Oh.
And I used one for this song because it was a Hello Kitty one and they wanted it to be cinnamon. And I love cinnamon. Me. Cinnamon me. Cinnamon me. Cinnamon me.
Okay, make sure you stay within the camera so we can see you. Make your bracelet. See?
Don't be, don't be.
Okay. How's it coming along?
Good.
You're doing a good job.
I did this fast
Mm-hmm.
because this, I don't think anybody wants to watch a super long video like this. It's
How-
going to be longer than usual, I bet, because look how many beads I have placed in the
I know. You want to make a bracelet?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Is this the middle? Wait, I need to put this guy in the middle. Okay, and I might need to take off some beads.
Okay, watch out you don't drop it.
No, I'm holding on to them. Oh, okay. This is in the middle, right, guys? Right,
Okay.
guys? Right? It's in the middle, right?
Okay.
It's in the middle. Right? Patsy?
If that's what you want the middle to be, yes. And add some more of the beads, like the blue.
I just need to copy this pattern.
Right.
So first I did a blue.
Yeah. There's some in the container too.
I know.
Okay.
I just dumped them out. Patsy, cut this part out, okay?
Okay.
Because I just want to tell you something that, like,
What do you want to
I
tell me?
want you to edit when I said dump,
Mm-hmm.
like me as a dump truck. Like you should edit that as me as a
Okay,
dump
what you
truck.
have to do to make it even, you have to start out with this blue. Then that blue.
Wait,
Then that one.
I need
Okay, to make it even. Okay, because that's wrong.
I just want to do my pattern.
Yeah, but that's not the pattern.
The
You want me to
starting
show you?
pattern. I started out with that pattern.
Okay.
Do like this. While then I did another blue. That. And I need to do this. to do it. I think I'm done with my bracelet. I don't know if it fits me though. I got someone special while I was gone for a sec.
Woohoo!
My cousin got it for me for Easter.
And what's that? What's his name?
So it's one of the Hello Kitty friends. You can see these are all the friends. And it's this one, and this one's called My Melody.
Ooh.
So his name's My Melody. That's
Okay.
a Hello Kitty character. But I'm gonna name him Strawberry. Because he looks like a strawberry. He just looks like a big strawberry peep. Peep, 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 pop, pop. If you don't know what a peep is, so they're like these little bunnies. And these. And they come in different flavors. Every single Easter, like close by Easter. And they're like food, and they can be stuffies and other stuff, but mostly food.
That's
But I
a
was
beautiful stuffy.
Also for a sec, because I don't know if the bracelet that I made fits me.
It should fit you. Let's see. Do you want to put your name on it? Because if you add a couple more beads, it'll look prettier.
Okay, I'm
Okay.
in.
Here, do the heart first. No, do the heart first. Okay.
Your mom, your mom, your mom. I'm just saying Mia Ma. And my name's actually Mia. Oh my god. How am I saying that? Oh my god, oh my god. I wish I was younger. I don't know why. I just wish I was younger.
Now do the A. Okay, do the A. Oh,
Oh no. I can't flip it over.
here, I'll do it.
Okay.
What you have to do is watch this. Okay?
If you hear the stuffy closely, it looks like it's full. It sounds like it's full of stuff. I hear it. Put this in slow-mo. Edit it in slow-mo. You're doing it super slow, like it's in slow-mo, right?
Yeah. You look at that.
But this is in slow-mo.
Mia,
No.
with all the hearts.
That was not edited in slow-mo. Like, even if you
You
think
trying to be a funny bunny?
it's not. You might look at how we edit somehow. Maybe you can do that. I'm not sure. But you might look at it and you'll see that's not edited. Can I put these a little blue Easter egg? Put a little blue flower on the back. There, will this fit me?
Okay, watch out.
Follow me?
Yes, it
I'm
will.
not sure. If you look at my painting, well, it's not the goodest. Because I'm not that good at doing paint and stuff. Yeah, I'm not that good at beads. Like, if you look on the tile, it's my first time. I might have done it before, but I have not. I've just seen videos about doing it, maybe.
Here, let's see. Give me your wrist.
It fits perfect.
Okay.
What about the extra? Do we want to cut it off?
Yeah, then we can make another one. So hold on, let me fix this.
I'm just waiting for my bracelet. Batsy cutting it right now. I'm just gonna wait right here.
Okay, show them your bracelet.
This is my bracelet. It's pretty crazy. I'm gonna place it on my wrist.
It looks beautiful. Do you want me to make it a little tighter? Let me make it a little tighter so you don't lose
I feel like
it.
putting more beads on it, but I can't.
Yeah, let me make it tighter.
More. This is gonna be continued. We're gonna make a part 2 because my bracelet didn't turn out how I thought it would be like. So we're gonna make a part 2.
It still came out beautiful.
Here's my bracelet. See what I'm saying? It didn't turn out that good.
It still looks super. Put it on. Let's see it on you.
Ta-da!
Oh my goodness, that looks gorgeous. Let me take a close-up.
Okay.
Wow. Put it in front. Right here. Ooh, beautiful. Tell everybody, say thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. See you next